Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a new topic in sphere, that is section of a sphere by a plane. So section of a sphere by a plane, we know that it is a circle, but mathematically we show that it is a circle. So consider the equation of sphere, which is general equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, and we have equation of plane which is denoted by u equal to lx plus my plus nz minus p equal to 0. To show that section of a sphere by a plane is a circle, that means you have to show that pq is constant and point p is fixed. What we have to show, that pq is constant and point p is what? A fixed. Okay, so that we'll draw a perpendicular. We'll draw a perpendicular from the center of the sphere to the point P, and we join this point C and Q, which is nothing but the radius of the sphere. So here this triangle CPQ is a right angle triangle. Triangle CPQ is what? A right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write down this CQ square is equal to this CP square plus PQ square. Now this PQ is nothing but under root this CQ square minus this CP square. But this CQ is what? This CQ is nothing but the radius of the sphere. CQ is radius of sphere, and this CP is nothing but the perpendicular distance, right? CP is nothing but the perpendicular distance. So this PQ is what? That CQ under root CQ square minus PQ square, sorry, CP square. So this PQ, it is, you will get a constant, right? So since the PQ is constant, so this PQ is constant, therefore this locus of all these points, that is nothing but a circle. Now to find out the center of the point, center of circle, that is we have to find out the coordinates of point P. So how to find out the coordinates of point P? So consider equation of line CP, equation of line CP in symmetrical form. So equation of line in symmetrical form, we know that this is x minus x1 upon a. Here x1 is nothing but the minus u, so you can write down x plus u upon the DRS of line CP. So DRS of line CP is nothing but the DRS of plane, which is nothing but LMN. So x plus u upon L equal to y plus v upon m equal to z plus w upon n equal to k. And this is nothing but the x is equal to what? LK plus LK minus u, y is equal to mk minus v, and z equal to nk minus w. So you can put the value of x, y, z in equation of plane. You can find out the value of k, so that you will get the coordinates of the center of the circle. So in this way you can find out the radius of the circle and center of the circle. Thank you.